We have an absolutely gorgeous 1990 9300 day cab here. It was owned by the federal government from new. It's down in the southwest, 56,000 miles. Truck's never seen salt or any sort of adverse climate. Paint on the frame is original. It's faded, but we left it so that it didn't look like it had been messed with. It has a double frame. Really nice Goodyear drive tires. 22.5 rubber. It has new steer tires as well. Heavy pintle hitch on the back. If you're doubting the mileage, the interior will surely change your mind. Look at that floor mat. A funky original international cloth interior. None of it's been redone. Has a Cummins NTC 855 cubic inch engine, rated at 365. It's got 3-stage Jakes and a Eaton 10-speed. The air conditioning works well and has been retrofitted with 134 gas. I'll go ahead and start it up here.